The country has about 2.5 months before the old generation 1,000 shilling note ceases being legal. The Central Bank of Kenya often speaks of demonetizing the note, an exercise that should see it mop up about 217 million pieces of the old generation note by the end of September. But do Kenyans really understand what demonetization is? We took to the streets and this is what some of you thought.
This issue of demonetization, where the currency has been changed, because the president says that he is trying to fight corruption in this country. Because the problem that we are having in this country is that the circulation of funds, the circulation of money has not been there. Because some people have withheld the money.
I'm not aware. And it's like they needed to do it as quickly as possible because people do not understand what is happening.
Actually, I don't understand what demonetization is. I don't actually. I have no idea about demonetization. The citizens need to be informed about what this thing is all about.
Demonetization refers to the act of withdrawing the status of legal tender from a coin, a note, or any other medium of exchange. Legal tender refers to the medium of exchange or currency which is legally accepted in a given jurisdiction. For example, India undertook a demonetization exercise in November 2016, withdrawing sections of the currency from circulation. Demonetization is often cited as a means to fight money laundering and illicit financial flows, since it requires that persons returning the notes being demonetized account for their source. Through its demonetization exercise, the Central Bank of Kenya is looking to withdraw a little over 217 million pieces of the old generation 1,000 shillings note from circulation by the start of October this year, as the state steps up the fight against corruption and money laundering. Kenyans are expected to exchange their old generation 1,000 shillings note for the new generation ones at the nearest bank branches, while those holding in excess of 5 million shillings in 1,000 shillings notes are required to visit the Central Bank of Kenya to obtain their new generation equivalent.